Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta RS2230. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your vacuum cleaner is giving off an odd smell, it's often a sign that something isn't quite right. This could be due to a blockage, a dirty filter, or even a failing motor. Ignoring this issue may lead to more serious problems down the line, potentially damaging your vacuum cleaner beyond repair. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools. Gather a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, and a replacement motor specifically for the Rowenta RS2230. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your vacuum cleaner is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully remove the screws from the base of the device, taking care to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off, making sure not to force it as this could cause damage. With the cover removed, locate the motor. It should be situated in the center of the unit, typically held in place by a couple of screws and connected by various wires. Take note of how the wires are connected, as you'll need to replicate this when installing the new motor. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove the screws securing the motor in place. As you do this, apply gentle pressure, ensuring you don't strip the screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the motor free from its housing. Be careful not to tug on any wires too hard. Now, take your new motor and align it in the same position the old one was in. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring it is tight but not overly so. Reconnect the wires as they were, ensuring each connection is secure. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the motor replaced, it's time to put the cover back on. Align it carefully and reinsert the screws to secure it. Make sure everything fits snugly and there are no gaps, which could allow dirt to escape into the air. Once everything is back in place, plug in your vacuum cleaner and turn it on. If all goes well, the strange smell should be gone, and you can continue using your Rowenta RS2230 as normal. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean your vacuum's filters and check for blockages. Keeping your vacuum cleaner well maintained will ensure it runs smoothly for years to come. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.